How can I edit my videos with my phone? Someone asked this question on my YouTube page, and I feel the need to do this video for content creators who want to do their video editing on the go. Adobe Premiere Rush is what you need. Let me explain. Adobe Premiere Rush is the free mobile and desktop video editing app for those who want to edit their videos and upload it as it is hot. Wherever you are, you can use your mobile phone or your tab to edit and share your high quality videos. Adobe Premiere Rush is like the mini version of Adobe Premiere Pro, which is of course the industry standard. Another amazing part of this app is the fact that it has built-in camera, which allows you to record high quality videos and edit later in the app. For me, with Adobe Premiere Rush, I bet you won't need any other video editing app. And whether you're an iPhone or Android users, it works for both. You can download Adobe Premiere Rush for free from the App Store for iPhone and iPad and on Google Play Store for Android users. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, you can now sign up for free Adobe ID. That's if you don't have one. So guys, let's do some video editing with Adobe Premiere Rush. So click on this plus button at the bottom part of the screen. And you have these two options. The first option is where you can, add videos or photo from your camera roll. The second option is where you can record video with the built-in camera. And this comes with two options. You can record on auto or you can record on pro, where you have to adjust your camera settings. As you can see, we have these parameters here. The first one here is where you can adjust your ISO, shutter, and exposure meter. Second one is where you can adjust your exposure bias. The third one is where you can adjust the white balance, or you could just leave it on auto. Then the fourth one is where you can adjust the focus of the camera. And the fifth one is where you can adjust the zoom of the camera. Then the last one here is where you can adjust the resolution and the frame rate. I advise that you don't stay lower than this 1080p, and of course it comes with 4K options as well. And the frame rate, you could stay on 24, 25 or 30 for normal video, or if you want to shoot slow-mo, you could just take the 120 or 240, and that's it for the camera settings. Go back. Now you can click on create new project to now create your project properly. And here you can click on camera roll to import any videos or photo you want to edit. Click on project name to rename your project. Click on these settings to choose the screen size you want. For this, I want to use the 9:16, which is for YouTube Shorts and Instagram. Click OK, then return, and now you can create. And that takes you to your editing interface. Here is your project monitor, where you monitor anything you do. And this is the timeline where you put all the clips you want to edit. Click on this plus sign to import any other video you want to, or you want to import audio or voiceover, or you want to record another video or graphics. Click on this icon to expand your timeline, where you see your video and audio timeline properly. Click this icon in case you want to change the screen size of your video. Click on graphics if you want to add graphics to your video. You can click on effects if you want to add transitions and effects to your video. Click on color to color grade your video. You could choose to use any of the presets that come with it, or you adjust these parameters by yourself to have the look you want for your video. Let's go back. Click on audio to adjust the volume of the audio, or you want to enhance the audio generally. And transform here is where you can, scale your video up and down. You can move it left and right. You can rotate your video, reduce the opacity. You can flip it, or you can lock the scale. Click on this plus icon here to duplicate, or you can click on this delete icon to actually delete the video. Click on this icon here if you want to select multiple video. On your timeline, you can click and hold the video and move it around if you want to reposition, or you want to take it up to overlay on another video, and this is how it works. When you are done editing your video, click on this icon up here to either post directly to your social media page, or you could just save it to your camera roll by clicking this export here, and it exports directly to your gallery or your camera roll. I hope you find this video helpful. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you get to see more amazing content. See you on the next one.